Join me as I try to make the craziest fried chicken and potato nests that kids just can't resist. Kids love food that's both fun and delicious. And today we're making some crazy fried chicken and potato nests. Just imagine crispy fried chicken served in crispy potatoes, shaped like a nest. It's the perfect combination of flavors and textures that kids will absolutely adore. Place a few pieces of fried chicken into each potato nest. Then top with some veggies and a drizzle of your favorite sauce. And that's it. The finished dish is truly amazing. The combination of crispy fried chicken and crispy potatoes is absolute perfection. And the kids will love the fun presentation. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you had as much fun as I did making this recipe. If you give it a try, be sure to comment below and let me know how it turns out. And if you're looking for more fun and creative recipe ideas, be sure to check out my other videos for some inspiration.